Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is the day I curved this marble chip bed. I wanted to match the other side. It's not going to be exactly like it, but I want it to be close to it. You know what I mean? Once I finish with that, I'll come over here and add the landscape edges, one on either side, no more than 2-3 feet, something like that. Start up here, work my way down, maybe by that line or the line that's further up. Yep, come on down, mulch, landscape fabric. Over here, same thing, add the annuals. This side will be a little wider. Since I'm out here, I might as well add a piece to this side. I think it's necessary. It'll help keep the mulch intact. Sometimes it'll blow onto the walkway, so I'll add a little piece right here alongside there. Yep, that'll work. Man, this looks nice. We did a great job. Looks a whole lot better already. Got a little ways to go using my little hand saw here. Had it for quite a while. Having a little trouble putting this last pin in. What do you guys think? Should I keep the landscape edger this long or should I cut it here? I think it'll look a lot better if I cut it here. Make more sense too. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. I should cut it there and then try to figure out how to get this pin in the ground. Must be an old post underneath or a thick root. Either way, finally got the pin in the ground. I had to angle it. By the way, folks, got this landscape edger from the backyard. It was on standby, so this isn't brand new. It's used. You can do it. All right, so let's go to the other side and start the marble chip project. Getting them up now. Once I finish, I'll use this spray paint to help with my design. Got the paint and the bucket from Menards. Had to use a second bucket. Didn't realize I had that many marble chips. All right, so we're getting it together. It looks good. Got my husky kneeling pad out. Get that kneeling pad, guys. You guys are going to need it. Trust me, when you get old, those bones aren't the same. Back in the day, I could really draw. I was really good. There was only one kid who was better than me. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's old age. But you know what? I'll just use this as a guide. It's not a big deal. So far, so good. I know you see it. The spray paint curve and the landscape edger aren't on point. That's okay. Sometimes you have to make adjustments, plans change, but it's close to the other side. No more rectangle, and that's good. It's going to look a whole lot better. Trust me, just like that. Let's finish up, use this landscape edger so we can move on to the other side. It actually turned out better than expected, and the plus to this is you see the downspout, it's hanging over the edger. And that's a good thing because I don't like when all types of debris and stuff ends up in the marble chip bed. So this is a win-win for me. Solar light is back in the ground. Using this old fabric to cover up some spots. You don't want weeds growing through, you know what I mean? What do you guys think? Is this an improvement or should I have just left it alone? Leave your comments in the comment section. You know what? It's a minor change, and again, it matches the other side. That's all I wanted. This looks good. I'll get the white spray paint and go over the marble chips. All right, let's focus on the other task at hand. Just leaving Home Depot, had to pick up some annuals. Here they are, usual cast of characters. Got a new addition though. So I got my lawnmower and scalped those areas. It's hot outside, guys. This sun is beaming. Again, we're just using the spray paint as a guide. I don't know what's going on with my skills. They have diminished, as you can see. Okay, I shoveled, raked the soil, so let's put some landscape fabric down. As promised, got some old fabric, put it down. The problem is this is all the landscape fabric I have. I have to go to the store and buy some for the other side. That means the trip I made was a complete waste of time. I have to go back now. Before I go, I'll get this side squared away so when I come back, I won't have that much to do. It's a tight space, believe it or not. In order for this to work, I had to clip some of these, got my shears in order to do so. It'll look good though. This is a lot better than good. This is exactly what you want to see. I used my water hose to wet this section. I did that so it'll be easier to dig up. You guys know that, you know that. So I'm on my way to Home Depot to get that landscape fabric. When I come back, I'll finish up. I recharged the battery, so to speak, got the tools out. Let's end this on a high note. Wow, amazing. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.